Hello, this is Salman sir here with the fourth video of general principles and process of isolation of elements, that is extraction of metal. And in this video we are going to study about extraction of zinc and silver. Now before the starting of the extraction of zinc, we are going to know about the ores of zinc. So we are having three ores of zinc in front of us. What is that? Zinc blend, that is ZNS. Calamine ZnCO3, carbonate ore is the calamine, sulfide ore is the zinc blend, and oxide ore is zincite. Zincite is the oxide ore of zinc. Generally, zinc is extracted from the zinc blend and zincite. So, generally, zinc blend, zinc sulfide, and zincite ZnO is used to extract zinc. Now, this is very simple, very small process we are going to do and is in term of reaction we can see. Otherwise, the processes are not so simple. Now, the processes contain the big cemented vessels, containers, 20 feet height and even more than that. Now, in first process, remember what is the first process? Think about then concentration. Second process, that will be reduction. Third process, that will be what? Refining. So now here the same thing. The first process, after crushing and grinding, that is a common process, powder ore is concentrated by levication. So we can say that what process we are going to do the concentrate, the zinc ore, the answer is what? Levication. And froth flotation process. The froth flotation process will be used for the zinc blend only, not for the zincite. But for both we can use the levication. Levication what you have studied, that is hydraulic or gravitational separation, in which we have kept the ore with water and in grooves the heavier part was settled down. So levication and froth flotation process for the concentration of zinc ore. Now concentrated ore is roasted in a big furnace that have temperature 1200 Kelvin. So at 1200 Kelvin, zinc sulfide, if you have taken zinc blend, is converted into zinc oxide and sulfur dioxide SO2 gas will be lost. Now zinc sulfide may be converted into zinc sulfate also, some different reaction but the same container, and on more heating, on strong heating, zinc sulfate again converted into zinc oxide SO2 and oxygen. So you have to write 1, 2 and 3 reaction for the complete extraction under this heading. Now the third process what? After roasting the zinc oxide, we got ZnO. So roasting we have done. Why we are calling roasting here? Because excess of oxygen, ore is heated. After roasting, the zinc oxide is sent into vertical retort. The vertical retort, the main reduction takes place. Here what is the reducing agent? The reducing agent is coke. What we have taken? Coke is the reducing agent. And at what temperature? That is at 1600 Kelvin. ZnO plus C form Zn plus CO. This zinc is called zinc spalter. So zinc spalter contains some impurities also. So that impurity will be done by electro refining. So you will write here the fourth point, electro refining. Electro refining. So electro refining will be used for what? Electro refining we are going to use for the refining of zinc into pure zinc. So by electro refining we can get almost 100% pure zinc. But I told you in the first video we can use poling also. So poling we have used for the copper, to refine copper, right? Now, in extraction of silver, again we must know the ores of silver. The extraction of silver is done from the ore argentite, that is Ag2S. Pyrargyrite, that is called ruby silver, Ag3SbS3. Horn silver, that is AgCl, that is also called chlorargyrite. So here the main ore is what? Argentite, Ag2S, again sulfide ore. So generally we are using argentite ore to extract silver. Now mainly silver is extracted, that already told you, argentite, by which process? MacArthur cyanide process. Keep in your mind, this is very important name. Is it okay? So sometime what is by which method we are going to extract? The answer is what? MacArthur cyanide process. Now argentite ore is concentrated by Froth filtration process. Now everybody got it. Why Froth filtration process? Because it is a sulfide ore. So sulfide ores usually we do Froth filtration process. And treated with dilute solution of sodium cyanide. See here. What is that? Argentite, sodium cyanide, reversible reaction. Complex will form. Is it okay? Sodium dicyanide, argentate first. Everybody aware now. Na2S. Now, this is a reversible reaction. To make it irreversible, we will react with oxygen. When it react with oxygen, it form Na2SO4. If Na2S will be used, the reaction will not go back, it will not be a reversible reaction. So these two reactions, this is not optional reaction, it is a must writing reaction. Solution obtained by above process is treated with zinc. So now you got this complex is heated with zinc. So zinc removes silver, zinc, see here, what is that? Where is the zinc? Zn. Is it? The screenshot will be always taken at the end. Is it? So now final reaction is what? NaAgCN whole twice plus Zn, Na2ZnCN whole 4. And Ag will be extracted. Now this silver will be purified by which process? That is electrorefining. So last at the end you can easily say that electrorefining, because by electrorefining we usually get nearly 100%, not exactly 100%, it's little less, 100% pure silver we can get it. Is it okay? So all three reactions, 1, 2, 3 reactions must be the part of the extraction. We are writing the minimum reaction required. If you will if you will miss any one reaction, that you will lose marks. And in this reaction, all the reaction must be balanced. Is it okay? Name is not required. You must write the balanced chemical equations. Name the process, MacArthur cyanide process. What the container in which the ore is dissolved, which solution? That is sodium cyanide solution. So by that way, please note down, take the screenshot and note down in your copy.